Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Gemini. We'll go to settings, this first page of settings, then this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Gemini. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.